Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Fog is back in the coastal bend. It didn't take long, did it? As the moisture has returned from the Gulf of Mexico, those cold shelf waters and warm air running over the top of them. Here's what's ahead, and again, becoming very muggy and foggy here overnight, limiting visibility, but not only tonight, but also tomorrow night and again on Wednesday night. As the warm front moves through tomorrow, our temperatures will go from the upper 60s today to the 70s tomorrow. And so that'll be nice, but we will see an increase in light shower activity because of it, or drizzle here tomorrow. Temperatures right now are in the low to mid 60s over most of the region, including 60 in Mathis. We're at 64. We're not going to drop a whole lot more tonight. Dew point temperatures are coming very close to the actual temperatures, and when the two are the same, the relative humidity, one relative to the other, is 100%. So we're very close to that right now. The winds off the water are delivering the moisture. When it was so chilly last week, we had more of a northeast wind, but now our winds are more easterly here, so that's why we're milder here tonight than we were this time when this happened last week. So the fog is not quite as bad because warm air can hold more moisture than colder air. So instead of the 40s, we're in the 60s, so we're holding more moisture. So the visibilities, instead of being 0 to 1 mile, are more like 2 to 3 miles along the coast, and better as you go inland. But as the temperatures cool off tonight and moisture is added into the low levels, we'll see visibilities drop off around midnight and then hold in the 0 to 1 mile range through daybreak. Our short-term forecast calls for fog and temperatures holding steady in the low 60s through 4 a.m. with easterly winds tailing off at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Low temperatures tonight look like this across the region, upper 50s inland, but 60 here and along the coast, and fog just about everywhere in the coastal bend by morning. You can see the low clouds here with the moisture continuing. We don't have any major flow off the Pacific right now, but we do have this warm humid flow coming in off the Gulf and this warm front out here that's moving in this direction, being drawn up into low pressure in the plains. Our next front is out here. This will be arriving on Saturday. It's going to pull down some cold air from western Canada as this low swings south. In the meantime, fairly dry air aloft, so that's conducive for fog at the surface. Again, this is the water vapor imagery. This is in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere, not at the surface down here where we're located, which obviously is very humid tonight. And the future tracker shows the light rain showers developing here tomorrow through the morning hours and into the afternoon. The warm front pushes through. Temperatures move up into the 70s here while it stays in the 60s up around San Antonio. And then as we move into Thursday, we'll see a little bit of late day sun perhaps through the afternoon hours. But tomorrow, Wednesday, look pretty cloudy and on the soggy side, especially tomorrow, where the drizzle, mist, and light rain could amount to 2 to 3 tenths, maybe 4 tenths along the coast, but just a few hundredths of an inch further inland away from the front. Easterly winds right now will be light to calm in the morning and very light through the afternoon, turning more east to southeast. That's behind the warm front. And then as we move into Wednesday morning, a light southeast wind promotes even more sea fog across the region, and that continues right on through Wednesday afternoon. So tomorrow, showers off and on, low 70s, light rain, cloudy and mild. The showers will also be mixed with drizzle, east to southeast winds at about 7 to 14 miles an hour. And then the highs tomorrow mainly in the 70s except near the water. So better in the temperature department, but soggy. Your last car wash is going to get messed up, I'm afraid, if you're out and about. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 60 tonight, 73 tomorrow, 63, 76 on Wednesday. A little bit of sun Thursday and 79, 82. Friday's a winter. Here's the next front. That's going to have some Arctic air behind it, but no freezing temperatures because it turns to March. But miserable here Sunday and Monday and much of next week. Lee?